Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. Today we want to look at an example on quadratic equation. It's a miscellaneous example. So let's see how we can approach this problem. The question says, if the roots of s squared minus 7s plus k is equals to 0 are m and m minus 1, find the value of the constant k. So we know that the constant is k, but given that the roots of this function are m and m minus 1. Okay, using sum and product of roots to form the quadratic equation, we have that the equation becomes, remember the formula, if alpha and beta are the sum of are the roots of a quadratic equation, then the equation will be x equals to s minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equals to 0. So remember, these are alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. So if this is true, then using the roots m and m minus 1, we'll have that this becomes s squared minus, let our alpha be m plus let our beta be m minus 1 x, then plus alpha is m and beta is m minus 1. So alpha and beta are the roots, this and this is equal to 0. So simplifying this, we'll have that s squared minus everything here is m. So we have 2m, m plus m, 2m minus 1 x plus, we can expand this and we have m squared minus m equals to 0. M squared minus m equals to 0. Now comparing this equation with this given equation, comparing this equation with this equation, we'll have by comparison that the coefficient of x here, which is 2m minus 1, will be equal to 7. Will be equal to 7 by comparison. The coefficient of x here is minus 7. The coefficient of x here is minus 2m minus 1 in bracket. So 2m minus 1 is equals to 7. And also m squared minus m is equals to k. So let's call this one equation 1 and then call this one equation 2. Okay? So from equation 1, which is 2m minus 1 equals to 7, we'll have that 2m is equals to 7 plus 1 when we solve. Then 2m is equal to 8. Dividing both sides by 2, we'll have that m is equals to 4. Now since m is 4, we'll substitute this. We'll substitute m equals to 4 into equation 2. We'll substitute m equals to 4 into equation 2. So equation 2 is m squared minus m equals to k. So this is 4 squared minus 4 is equals to k. And that implies that k is equal to 4 squared is 16 minus 4. And that's equals to 12. So that is our value for k. I believe it's well explained. Okay, there are other methods you can also apply to solve and get for k, but this is one of the easiest way to solve it based on the series of lessons we have received from quadratic equation. Please don't forget to like, to share this video, and to follow this page. Bye for now.